some good news if you are hoping to change the battery of your iPhone now that Apple has reduced the prices of the replacements. The waiting time to obtain a new one seems to be decreasing. As Business Insider reports, a Barclays analyst says that the waiting period to obtain a new battery has dropped from an average of 4 weeks in January to an average of 2 weeks now. The maximum wait had also decreased, going from 6 weeks to 4.5, probably according to the model and location of the phone. The figures come from Barclays' study of 30 Apple stores, which has been calling to track replacement times. Shortly after the battery replacements were reduced to $29, it was said that several battery models were scarce, especially for the iPhone 6, 6 Plus and iPhone 6s Plus. That may have postponed potential customers, although the discounts will remain for the rest of the year, so all you have to do is bet on your phone to reach its maximum speed and prolong the battery life. But given how fast the batteries deteriorate, that could be a big problem for a lot of people. As part of Barclays' research, the analyst also says that Apple's battery replacement discounts could convince more people to repair their current iPhone instead of buying a new one, which would be bad news for the company and its investors. Maybe that's the case, but it's good news for customers, who previously believed that the only way to get a high-speed iPhone again is to buy a new one. At $29, replacing your phone's battery and getting more time from a useful device could be the way to go.